Hey everybody, today I'm coming to you with something that I believe is extremely exciting. Why I believe this is so exciting? Because I know the true benefit of what this is and what this means and how much this could help you. So, if you want to hear what this is, if you want to hear how this will help your business, your lawn maintenance business, stick around. I want to show you a great idea. All right guys, before we get into this, what this little hint, this caveat, this great piece of equipment that we're going to get into, we have just got our Facebook page live. Also, jacobgodar.com is going to drop. It's going to start in January 1st, I believe, is going to be the official release date. So you can get on there now and subscribe to the mailing list to get any updates. As far as our YouTube channel, we're going to continue to bring in amazing content. We're going to pull all the information we can, and we are going to give excellent material all the time. So hopefully you can use that to build your business. So hop on there, subscribe. On the end of this video there's a link, or you can just hit subscribe in the middle of it. Also hit the little bell so you get a update, or you get a notification anytime we get a new video out. That's it. Let's get back into the video, guys. I want to tell you a little bit more about this great idea. Let's go. So, the great idea, I'm going to drag you out just a little bit, but one of my most popular videos I've ever made was about a custom truck bed. This custom truck bed has revolutionized the way we mow. We should make more, but we just haven't. This answer that we're about to give is probably going to be what we buy next. We'd discussed using box trailers. We discussed all kinds of stuff, and a custom mow truck is very, very nice, where you get the open bed, all the stuff's right in back, no trailers to pull, so many benefits. So, without all ado, here it is. Wyatt Farmer has created a slip-in insert truck bed. You letting that sink in? This means you don't have to go and do so much work to a standard truck like I had to create what is perfect for hauling mowers, what is perfect to get your equipment around so you can be timely, so you can be more profitable, so you can get in and out of traffic. The list goes on. This is the perfect answer to this problem. Now you can just get new trucks, slide one in, it'll fit in almost any different truck, and slide it out and trade the truck back in without ever altering the bed. So I've already hit on some, but what are the benefits of a bed like this? And the benefits are almost never ending. The thing I just said was so huge to me. I realized all that work that was put in on a truck bed, it's out of control. And then you create something that only bolts to that one truck, or is only welded down to that one truck. It can't go from truck to truck. This is a beautiful, beautiful invention, because you can take this one invention and you can put it in several different trucks. You can move it all around. So if you start off with, if you're starting your business and you've got cheaper trucks and they're not going to last, you don't have to worry about the huge investment in a custom bed that maybe when that truck dies, it's going to be no longer good, or it's going to be a lot of work to get it to fit something else. You could jump into this right now for, I think it's just a little under $3,000, and you could be ready to go, and it can move from truck to truck. I love it, because now I'm looking at, I can buy long bed trucks. I can slip one of these in and we can be ready to go. This thing will fit 252s. The only modification you get into if you start fitting 252s is if you have to cut out the wheel wells for the actual deck to go through. But if you use a 36 and a 52 like us, from what I'm saying, or from what I'm seeing, this thing is going to be spot on. It's going to be perfect. So the benefits are endless. I mean, just that deal of not having to destroy a truck to get something made. The efficiency it's going to bring to your business, the added ability to move through traffic, not having to worry about teaching guys to back up a trailer. The list goes on and on and on. When you can get away from a trailer and you can mow all of your lawns, you can have a brand new truck, you can slip that thing in, you can still have vinyls on the bed like that. You know, it can still look gorgeous, and it can have this slipped in on top. So those are just a few of the upsides, but man, if you pressed me for upsides and reasons to do this, the list would go on and on and on. Anytime you can have a custom bed and not have to pull a trailer, less lights to worry about, trailer lights, less tires. I mean, it's a win-win because we know how much it's helped us, and this thing is probably going to be our next step. So with everything being said so far, kind of the second little piece of this is, why should you buy this instead of just build one? Well, I've answered that in some of the benefits so far, because I would rather buy something that you can move from truck to truck instead of being so specialized. I know the amount of material I put into this thing, into the truck bed we have, and I know the price that he is asking for this, and I almost don't know how he does it. So if that works for him, that's an amazing deal for people. The price is right on it. If we had to pay someone to do that, I know I had $1,300 just in material to build what I built. Plus, if you had a truck, you'd have to throw off a bed and store it somewhere if you ever wanted that bed to be used again. I mean, like I said, the list just goes on and on for reasons that you should just buy this thing and you should implement it and you shouldn't build one. It's a big time saver to be able to just put this thing in a truck. And if you ever did have to, if you got into the winter months and you plow snow or whatever the case is, this truck can be multi-purpose. You can pull this thing out and you can still put a salt box in the end. These things can be unbolted and lifted right out of the truck fairly quickly. It is really, truly the best all around if you're gonna have a custom truck bed without all of that work that goes into making something. And I think the last piece that I expect everybody to ask me is, what makes this thing special? What is special about this compared to every other thing? And we just keep hitting on the same points. This thing's got these few strong points. The ability to move from truck to truck, the ability to pull out when not in season, the ability to not waste time and not have to store a bed for a custom truck bed that you make, you know. The reasons to choose this piece is amazing. The price is spot on for what you want to do. It makes it so affordable to get a truck that is new and ready to rock, ready for mowing. So with all that being said, I want to take you a little time. There's been videos throughout this, there's been pictures throughout this video, but we're gonna do another little walk around. I'm probably gonna do some voiceover on this walk around to give some more ideas. All in all, this is a great purchase. Guys, I suggest you check him out. We're gonna put a link down here, Wyatt Farmer. He is the man. Great idea, great invention, man. Keep innovating. Everybody, you should be taking notes. No. Okay, so this thing it's perfect. If you look at this, it's so simplistic. It slides in, it goes into the stake holes. The gate with even just one cable was very, very supported. It worked really, really well. Quick, tight attachments for stuff like green touch racks. That was beautiful. And then, you know, everything just kind of fit in. It was like the perfect snug fit for every little thing on this. I was really impressed by the craftsmanship. It was very simplistic. There's a brace to help hold up the dovetail off of the hitch. Everything is a very, very simple, clean look. Look how easy it is to open that. That's our Mow crew foreman that's walking around looking at this with Wyatt, and he was really impressed with this thing. All in all, I would say that this is a great package right here. Wyatt, you did a great job, man.